Welcome to EncycloHub. Here we are discussing MA Psychology. Questions. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of question solution in PDF and handwritten. Also, if you need answers of any type of subject or course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Now question 2. Discuss the strengths and weaknesses of self-report inventories. Suggest measures to overcome weaknesses in self-report inventories. 3. Define behavioral assessment. Discuss the common characteristics and assumptions of behavioral assessment methods. Section B. Answer the following questions in 400 words each. 5 times 5 is equal to 25 marks. 4. Explain the Big Five model of personality. Discuss the advantages of the Big Five structure. 5. Describe situational tests and their limitations. 6. Elucidate Albert Bandura's social cognitive theory of personality. 7. Explain Inkblot test. Discuss in detail Rorschach psychodiagnostics test. 8. Discuss the categories of traits as given by Raymond Beeve Cattell. Section C. Answer the following questions in 50 words each. 10 times 3 is equal to 30 marks. 9. Ayurvedic body types. 10. The 16 personality factors questionnaire. 11. Senior apperception test. 12. Growth needs. 13. Homeostasis. 14. Social deprivation as an environmental determinant for personality development. 15. Extroversion/introversion. 16. Limitations of interview method. 17. Self as given by Rogers. 18. Nomothetic approach to personality. Thanks for watching.